My name's Cedric.
And I'm Chris.
And this is Beers
Bros.
and Bon Appetit.
And on this episode, we're going to make Philly cheesesteak.
And our ingredients are New York strip, orange and green peppers, we have mushrooms, onions, garlic, we have our ciabatta bun or hoagie roll, provolone cheese, and of course, salt, pepper, and olive oil.
So in order to make this, we're going to finely slice our New York strip. So we're just going to slice it like so. And let your life do the work. So Cedric, I'm just going to get you to saute the vegetables up for me, please. Get you to get that pan nice and hot. These are starting to soften up a little bit. Cedric, we're just going to add in the garlic. Just use the microplane and grate that right in there. Cedric, I'll just get you to put them right into the bowl. And next we will brown our meat. So next we're going to add the cheese to the Philly cheesesteak.
Well, I wouldn't say it's cheese yet.
Yeah, I guess not.
So, do I finally get to eat it?
I think so. Get to try your Philly cheesesteak, my boy. Let me know what you think. Have you ever had one of these before?
Well, only the ones you microwave. It's delicious. Much different.
We've stepped up from that. Those green peppers, meat.
The fries are good too.
That's great. I don't know why we haven't done this before. More often.
You know?
This is delicious, and I think it's a great version of Philly cheesesteak.
I agree. And I believe it's time to say that's beers
Bros,
and bon appetit.
bon appetit.
Thank you for watching. Say the beers
This
for
is
one.
messy.
Not really.
This is good, man. Good job.
Right.
Just don't leave me hanging.